There you go. No, so Shani, when you said you cannot ride bicycle, I honestly thought you were joking.
I can't ride bicycle.
I thought you were joking.
Hey guys, so I'm heading on the road right now. It's Sunday and I don't have any work, so I'm going to be heading to Saitama to meet up with a Jamaican who is also a YouTuber. So this is gonna be the very first time that I'm meeting her in person, but we have been, social media friends for a long time. But anyways, you guys are coming with me. We're going to Saitama, which is 2 hours, no, actually more than 2 hours away. I'm hot. But yeah, so this is my outfit. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yeah, so let's go. Like, it doesn't matter how many times I climb these stairs, it's like I'm always tired, I'm always out of breath. But anyways, I'm walking to the train station right now. Yes.
On my timeline.
Alright guys, so I'm with.
Hi guys.
You're not gonna tell him your name.
Okay. I am Natay, guys. Right? You may know me as Natay Vincent. I don't know if because we're in the same niche, like probably your audience came across my channel.
Yeah.
My name is Natay. Call me Nat. Natay kind of weird for people.
Yeah, because like I thought it was short for like Natalie or something
No.
like that. Or Natasha.
No.
Just Natay.
It's just Natay. My middle name is Natalia though.
Natay, Natalia.
Yeah.
I thought Natna.
So
Okay.
normally I just say Nats. It's more easy. It's more easy. A lot of mercy. I cannot speak. It's easier for persons to like know because Natty is not a popular name.
Okay, we in Daiso. What are you looking for?
What I'm looking for is down there. You gonna get something?
I don't know. I just browse through and then if I see anything that catches my eye, then I'll get it.
So what I am looking for is something for Sashoni's comfort.
Really?
Yes,
Nice.
because I don't have a diffuser thing going on in the toilet. So I
But
need
that's
something.
fine.
I need some scent.
Oh,
We don't want it to smell like raggedy.
girl, I thought it was something that you actually needed. I'm fine.
Here. Yeah. Like a diffuser or something. I like this scent for the bathroom.
You know, I've always seen those and I
Always.
never tried them before.
Yeah, man.
Do they actually work?
They work, but they don't last as long. They last for like a week and then you can't smell anything.
Okay. No,
But
I don't want them.
What you can do is buy like these and then like after a week, the ones that come in it, you replace it.
Okay.
So it start reabsorbing the scent here. Instead of continuing. I have a few of these already, so I'll just have this.
Okay. So we went to Daiso to get some stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah. And we're gonna head to her apartment right now.
Which is probably a mess, by the way.
That's fine. And so this is like country area. So I finally made it to the country area of Japan. Well, not for work, but at least a pleasure. Although it's not really pleasure, this is still work.
Yeah, we're still working. not
Yes.
jerking chicken. But you would say it's the country?
Of course, this is the country.
No,
you know how
sir.
many farm areas are passed on the way.
Well, yeah, but Kumagaya City, guys. The name of this place is Kumagaya City. It's city, like kind of like suburb. It's not city as in Tokyo, kind of standard, or maybe Yokohama, where Sashoni is from. But it's city standard because where I lived before here, oh my god,
That
Farm.
was a real
farms
countryside.
everywhere, like rice fields everywhere. Also, hold on, guys. If you're watching this, please pray for your glasses, friends. And my wig is falling off. Look at this. Excuse that. But I was saying, pray for your friends that wear glasses because you see this? It is not fun.
Really, is it fogging up?
Yes,
too?
because the breath that you're breathing, like
it goes
evaporating
up.
up into the, and then you can't see anything. Pray for your glasses, friends. Like, this is serious.
You need to eat a carrot every day.
That will help with what?
Carrots are good for your eyes.
Well, yeah.
Yeah.
But
Try it.
So sometimes I'll be walking like a blind person because mask plus glasses don't work.
Okay.
There are a bunch of boys here.
Yes, and they're all staring at the melanated queens.
One thing I am afraid of with walking here in the city
Yeah.
is because, to be honest, I cannot recognize my students, and many of them are in the city on the weekends.
Yeah.
I had I had an experience at school a couple weeks ago where the teacher was like asking me, what did I do this weekend? And I said nothing, I stayed home. And then the teacher said, like, ex-students saw me in the mall, and I'm like, shit.
Well, we can remember we stand out, you know, so they blend in.
Yes,
They have on
yes.
their regular clothes, so we don't really know.
Yes.
And worse, like what they have on
The mask, right.
so we don't
I'm
really.
like, and they're not going to say hi, like if you're
Some of them might.
if
Others,
you, yeah, if you have a good relationship, but
yeah. But even if we have a good relationship with them at school, when they see you on the road, it's like they don't know you.
yeah, that's
Who
true.
is this for? You know, and they know that it's you, but they still won't
That's true.
acknowledge you. So yeah.
So that is a struggle here. Cause some of the times I really be looking raggedy on these streets because I don't care. To be honest.
Alright, where's your bicycle now? Cause you're
Where?
gonna teach me how to ride a
To
bicycle.
the front.
I can't ride bicycle.
You
now.
cannot ride the bicycle.
No, not
Shoni.
not a big bicycle. I can ride probably like a small one. They're gonna teach me today.
Oh my goodness, girl. But then again, I won't laugh too much because I've had a few accidents. Like me plus a car coming like from an angle of the street, miss crashing by this much before. So
Wow.
yeah, I can ride it, but I'm not a pro.
Right, we made it to her
Yeah,
bicycle.
this is the thing here.
This is very big though.
I don't know what you call a small bicycle though. to be
Like
honest.
for very short people, like shorter than me. Yeah.
To be honest. Alright. So now we're going to have to walk with the bicycle because Sashoni obviously is using her legs.
Yeah. And you can't put me on it. Because this is not the one with the child at the back or anything. Okay. This way.
So we're crossing.
If I fall, do not laugh at me.
Sashoni is trying to ride. Alright, let's see. Show us what you got. Lord, oh God, she crashed. Jesus have mercy. Sashoni, do me a beg you. Attempt
Number
1.
one. A bike is coming. So next thing you know, I'm gonna ride on the bike.
Catastrophe.
This is a one-way, right?
Or is it? It probably is. I don't know.
Because I don't want us to think about. This bike is too big.
It's not big, girl. Just go. Don't be afraid of the road. You are in charge. You run road, road not run you. Mad. Push yourself off first and then push yourself off first and then get your momentum. Yes, like that. Don't be afraid. Just put it up. There you go. No, so Shani, when you said you cannot ride bicycle, I honestly thought you were joking.
I can't ride bicycle.
I thought you were joking. There you go. There you go. Okay. Okay. Jesus Christ.
Almost had it.
You should have gotten a bicycle when you came to Japan. You'd be a pro.
That's true.
So you like what? Go to grocery shopping and so?
Everything, and I have my backpack and I struggle with the bags.
There you go, Sashoni. Alright, let me be quiet. Let you focus.
I couldn't get my other foot on.
Just push off. Don't try to put both feet on it at once. Push off. Right? Yeah, make fear get in the way, man.
I need that.
I'm trying not to laugh. Yes, and there you go.
Alright, let's go. Let's go in. I can ride a bicycle.
Lord have mercy.
Probably too soon. Alright, let's go. Look at this show off. Alright guys, so Nats is looking for her wig. Found it? Yes. So we have recorded like 2 videos so far. It's about 6, almost 7 p.m. and we have about 2 more videos to go.
Well, if you really look at it, we're filming for each other's channel, so it's really like 4 videos, but
yeah, but 2 topics.
Yeah, it's so short. Like if you say 2 videos, it's so shorter, so I get it.
Yes.
Gotta fix the wig them.
And then gotta change the outfit, you know?
Because we cannot let you guys know, even though we're letting you guys know, that we filmed them all in the same day.
Yes.
Yeah, man, so spray her up little.
We need some lipstick. Testing 1, 3. And I'll test 2. Okay.
We neglect the vloggy, man.
Yes.
We definitely neglected.
Yeah, we were busy recording other videos.
And we can't even speak now because we have been talking for like 2 hours or more.
Yes. So I'm leaving Saitama to head back home. It's about 9.
Yeah.
So I have to rush to this. Well, not really. I have time.
Yeah,
I
you
have
have
probably
a little
about 20
time.
minutes or so before my final train.
Yeah,
I will
like
be
she's
stranded.
catching like the last train that's leaving here to go to her place. Like Sashoni is such a sport.
Yeah. I'm a risk taker.
Yeah, me, I'd be freaking out if it was the other way around. I like calling to work to ask for a day off tomorrow already. Yeah, man. It's super cold though, guys.
Yes.
You just need more than a leather jacket.
It's cold.
I have on layers on top of layers and I still feel cold-ish.
So, how was your little visit to the town?
It was alright.
Like it?
We didn't get to see much because
Yeah.
we were busy, but yeah. It was a productive day.
Please come back.
Okay. Well,
Please
you can
come
invite
back.
me over whenever. Once I'm
Please come
available.
back. I need some company around here.
You need to come to the city, to Tokyo and Yokohama. Yeah. Have you ever been to Yokohama, by the way?
Nope.
You need to. There are a lot of fun spots that you can go.
We need to invite us out, no?
Oh,
Invite us, man.
I was just telling you in another clip that you should come to Tokyo. And you said that it was what, 3,000 or something to go and come.
Expensive.
You forgot? Because of course I could invite you out.
Man, Adam, are you willing?
Yeah, you
To go
guys, you live once, just
Are you willing?
one
thing is-
night. Nothing is wrong with that.
You see, the thing is, I am willing. It's just that when I look at how much I am going to have to spend, and then I start thinking about the savings.
Memories are precious.
Yeah, but I'm just saying, like, one single outing.
True.
Just sacrifice for one single outing because you live once, you know? Even
That
though
is
you have a
true.
goal,
Take
Yeah.
some
but
pictures,
just
and then you get your money's worth. Memories precious.
yes, and your vlog, your first time going
Yeah.
to Yokohama, so you at least have content for your channel as well.
Yeah.
Going up this
It's a
these
work
stairs.
in progress. It's like a whole bridge, you guys, to cut off the road.
Yeah.
The main road from, what they call those, pedestrians.
Yeah, this is ridiculous. They should have just have the pedestrian crossing there.
Exactly.
Bicycle would be a problem now because I shown you would have to walk.
Well, this
Across
happened
the bicycle.
earlier.
This happened earlier.
Yeah, I had to walk here and wait, and she had to wait on me.
So you came back here.
See, Japan is not clean.
Mask on the floor.
ground.
Yes.
Red Bull. Red
Now
Bull.
I
So,
still, when you
I can't. Oh yeah, Red Bull. Yeah, it would be
That's
worse.
way more than one mask on one back.
look there.
Tissue.
Trash.
No, maybe it's just your area because Yokohama is clean, my dear. I joke. They have their little dirty areas, but for the most part, it's clean.
This step is out. They always have
Shizuoka was very
some
clean.
crap.
I want to go there.
Now you were coming
No
from.
visit.
Miyagi was very clean too.
Yokohama is very clean.
Caravan was clean place.
Shizuoka is definitely a place to live. Yeah.
I know one person there, one Jamaican that lives there.
Really?
Only one, yeah.
Oh, nice. Adam lived there
Okay,
for a
that's
year.
nice.
So when I came to Japan, that's where I first was
Okay.
for like 3 months. Yeah, I love this Shizuoka.
Good weather.
But man.
My hand hurts.
Oh, you guys. So this is Adam.
Oh yeah, I didn't introduce him to
Yeah,
my
did
vlog.
introduce Adam.
Yes.
So that's nice.
So desu ne. Samui ne. Very cold. Yeah, so I'm gonna leave. Do I have Adam? No, I don't know Adam's Instagram. Yeah.
Do you have an Instagram?
Adam doesn't even use Instagram.
Trust me,
Okay.
to be useless.
Follow me instead.
Okay.
All of my fans go to Natay's page or Sashoni's page because
Yes.
come to my page, it's a ghost town.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, so
So we do it.
I'll leave her Instagram in the description box and
Thanks,
also her
guys.
YouTube channel that you guys can check her out. Yeah, we're almost at the train station. Yeah, and then I have over 2 hours to travel.
Yeah.
Yes, by the time I reach home, it's just to shower
And
and,
then
go
you
to
have work
bed.
in the morning, right?
Yes, luckily I don't have any work tomorrow after work.
Okay.
Yeah,
Well,
but
good.
yeah, so that's good. You gonna walk?
Oh, it's red. See?
You see, rule breaker.
Listen, even the Japanese persons walk when the light is red. You hear?
Yeah, that's true. But you know, because we're foreigners and we are black, we don't want to really
We don't want to
stand,
stand
out.
out.
Yeah, we want to follow the rules. No, we can walk.
Sashoni has a long way to go and then work.
Yeah, work tomorrow. And I'm probably
We
gonna.
don't go home. We have anything to do but bathe and go sleep.
No, I'm
Okay.
good. Yeah, because I have food for at least 2 to 3 more days. So I don't have to think about
I
cooking.
envy you.
Girl,
I envy you.
but I don't have any Sundays, so I can't cook on Sundays because I have work on Sundays. So I cook after work during the week.
Sashoni does many jobs.
Have 3 jobs, 3 teaching jobs, and I do babysitting as well. Yeah.
So tell me about the babysitting job. Like,
I use a website called Care Finders, so you have to register on it.
but what do you do with the Japanese babies?
Sit them.
It depends on what what the parent wants. So some parents might hire me to do like English lessons, or some might just actually need somebody to watch their child until they come back. So it all depends.
Watch them as in like bring them to the toilet, blah blah blah.
Yeah, like it depends on the level.
Are you in their houses?
Yeah.
Nowhere else.
No more.
It's strange to me.
So when I said, you see that the house that I went to, the very first one, I said, I never knew that Japanese houses could look like this.
I'd love to be inside a Japanese
One
house.
big elevator place, upstairs and downstairs, like rich people place. Home time.
Home. And I have severely dressed down for this vlog. My wig is off.
That's fine. You're in your home, your home station. You're at your home station. That's
I am
fine.
allowed to look
Yes.
like this, you guys.
Yes. most of the stalls, them guys, they're locked up and it's just 9 o'clock. Well, almost 10 o'clock. Wait, what time is it? I can't even check.
Adam, what time is it? You have your phone?
Oh, you left your phone?
That's the thing, man.
I need to check where I'm going. Yokohama this. Alright, so
Is there a straight train? There is not a straight
yeah, there's a straight train to Yokohama, then from Yokohama to my home and then walk in. So I was on the train for like over 1 hour and 30 minutes. I think I take the Tokaido line. Yeah, I have to map it out. So this is where I'm gonna leave them guys because I have to go. So tell them bye.
Bye guys.
Bye bye.
Of course.
See you.
I hope to see you over on my channel soon.
Yes.
Make sure that you tell me that you're coming from Sashoni's channel when you come, so I know you and welcome you, alright?
Okay.
Sashoni, come again.
Okay.
Yes. Bye.
Yes. Hey guys, so I made it home like 2 hours later. It's literally 12 midnight right now. So I'm gonna take out my garbage because tomorrow it's what do we call it, box cardboard day, because in Japan each day has a specific type of garbage that you have to take out. So tomorrow I have to take out boxer and stuff. I need to take these boxes out. I'm taking them out from tonight so that tomorrow when I'm heading to work I don't have to think about stopping to ensure that I take out all these boxes and stuff like that. Yeah, so I'm super tired. Hop in the shower, probably munch on something because I'm hungry, and then head to bed. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching my vlog today. Please subscribe to my channel. I will be posting videos every other day for December, so guys, just come on back and check my channel out and you're gonna see new content. Again, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye.